Another boring day. I can only give it a sigh. Just observing my surrounding. Everything was just normal. Then someone not normal appeared before I can even notice. It was, I guess, it was trying to get my attention.
Pwede matulog sa klase yan?
Sorry, sir. I was left wondering what it was. Was she messing up with me? I don't really know. Those eyes that takes a man by one look. Her hair that sings the rhythm of the wind. The way she walks shakes the spirit of everyone around her. Her name is Antoinette. Her name is the center of attention in the school. Her name pushes a person to level up. Her name is every girl's dream to become. She was all bright colors until that time. I didn't see them in her. What were those short dreams all about? Why did I see her lying in there? Was that blood? Am I seeing the future? I was lost in my thoughts, and then I...
Nalagay yung sapatos niya. Yawa na may dugo. Saan gani? Mau pasti ato. Ay, naguro na ako na.
Something happened to her. She wasn't trying to get my attention. At least she wasn't messing with me.
George, kasi ka pa do?
But rather, she was trying to reach out.
Angie, kailangan makakuha. Angie, andang buhaton mo tanan para gusto.
Тили-тили-бом, закрой глаза скорее. Кто-то ходит за окном и стучится в двери. Тили-тили-бом, кричит ночная птица. Он уже пробрался в дом, к тем, кому не спится.
Mr. George, nga naman kanina, Mr. George? Kinsa man ang cellphone, George? Sir, kibaon ako sa tanan. Ang bilang cellphone, George. Kung ganahan nimo kwaon. Kwa ngano ga-apil-apil mo mga George?
I was satisfying myself with my anger, while realizing that I, myself, has killed someone